Want to send money instantly with zero fees? Here's how you can do it in Chime. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So first, let's jump right into Chime app and you should land on their homepage as soon as you logged in. Now look towards the bottom navigation bar and tap on the pay icon. So it's the one that looks like two people side by side. So once you are in their pay section, all you have to do is type the amount you want to send, like $5 or $50. So I'm going to type $5 and then hit the pay button to continue. Now here Chime may ask for access to your account, but you can skip that. Now at the top you can see their manual enter the email address, phone number, or even Chime tag if they have one. So once you pick the recipients, you will be asked that what is this payment for. You can write a quick note or even drop in emoji like this, and I'm going to do is 100 emoji plus euro. And now I have to do is click continue, and here you will see a final review screen. You have to make sure you must double check the amount, the email or phone number, and add your Chime account balance. If everything looks great, just tap pay and the money will be sent immediately to the receiver. And here's a quick tip for you. The recipients must enter a valid debit card to receive the money. If they don't claim it in time, the money will automatically return to your Chime account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.